Hi lovers of good food, welcome to Julie Tasty Yummies page on Facebook. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your bole, that's plantain bole, with tilapia fish. So I'm going to be eating mine with tilapia fish and salad. So this video is going to be part 1. I'm going to be showing you part 2, how I made the salad after the upload of this. So first of all, after putting your plantain, peeling it, put it in the oven or air fryer to fry or roast. Then you go ahead, wash your tilapia fish very well with lime. Okay, then after washing, remember to remove the shell from the head. That is what I'm doing right now. And if it's your first time of coming across my channel on Facebook, Julie Tasty Yummy, thank you for joining, and please don't forget to subscribe, follow this channel, okay? And if you're watching me from YouTube, Lady J Julie Lifestyle, thank you for joining. And also I want to say big thank you to my old subscriber for always supporting and always being there for me. God bless you. So once you finish washing your fish with lime, remember to wash it very well and rinse it with warm water, so to remove that smell of fish, you understand. Then go ahead and use your ingredients to marinate the fish, then cover at least 30 or 1 hour. Once the bole is ready, then you put your fish in the oven or your air fryer. Then at the end of it, guys, this is the outcome. So what are you eating yours with? Salad, name it, wherever. So don't forget to subscribe, follow me.